Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa is not a financial planner. And if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Tesla. Oh boy, did we have fun yesterday. Yep, we sure did. We ran in a fairly tight range yesterday. It was a high to low of $6.70. I was hoping for a larger movement. We just didn't get it. We had a high at 246.22 and a low at 240.52, and we closed at 244.50 overnight. Well, pre-market, let's see what we dipped down to so far. So far, we dipped down to 242.40 approximately. And so far in pre-market, we had a high of 244.93. So that's what we're doing in pre-market so far. Fair opening price. The fair opening price for today is 243.75, and we've gone back and forth with that number a bunch of times today already. So 243.75 is the fair opening price, and that's right where we're at right now. Grandpa's drinking coffee. We have a sell signal currently in the 1 minute, the 15 minute, and the 5 minute. We're currently under a sell signal in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute. Jeff says, "Good morning, Professor." Well, good morning, Jeff. He's out on the road. I think he's out in North Dakota, or he might be out of there by now. Not quite sure. Trees in his trucker says, "Ready for a good day trading. Heading to the hot Atlanta with French fries." Atlanta. I believe he's going to Atlanta. I'll tell you what. So, okay, what do we got going on here? Like I say, we have a sell in the 1, the 5, and the 15 currently. We have some data coming out at 2 p.m. today. Might cause a little bit of volatility. There's some minor data coming out periodically this morning. Oh, check your leg. Let's see. Let's do that. Leg. You look at the clock, figure out how long between you hear Grandpa talking to when you get to hear it by looking at the clock there. And if you're over a minute in lag, I would suggest that you don't trade by Grandpa's buy and sell signals, okay? And Grandpa don't say, "Oh, you better sell," or "you better buy," "you better do this," or "you better do that." All Grandpa does is I tell you the buy and sell signals. You make your own decisions. That's the way it is. Sell signal in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute currently. That's what we got going. Let's see, what else? We had divergence yesterday, and it was bearish. Bearish divergence. I believe it was, if my memory is right, it was 13 million less shares bought and sold, but on higher prices. And that causes divergence, and it causes a warning. And in this case, it would be bearish for the stock. And I think the stock has already reflected that divergence from yesterday. And we're going to probably get to see some more of it. On the bottom side, we're hoping that our resistance in the 241, 239 area will hold us up. And on the top side, of course, we have we have support down below at 239, 241. We're hoping that holds us up. Otherwise, you're looking for 230 down below that. And up above, you have 245 as resistance, the 247, 250 area. And then, of course, 257, 265, 269, 271 for resistance. And all those are places that the stock could run to in either direction. Okay, so what else? Robo taxi tomorrow, 10th. I think they do it after hours. I'm just not 100% sure. I hope everybody's checked the leg. Okay, Treasonous Trucker's got a 15-second lag. Jeff says he's over in Pelican Rapids. Check your lag, you guys. Treasonous Trucker's got a 15-second lag, so that's good. And we have a sell in the 1, the 5, and the 15 currently. Treasonous Trucker says, Jeff, come to Atlanta. 2 more loads loading up at 8 p.m. in Park Rapids tonight. So, Treasonous Trucker's up in Park Rapids picking up French fries. Selling the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute. Current price is $243.35. I'm anticipating a fairly wild day. I think it's going to be wild tomorrow. So what's going on with this robo-taxi thing? And why? One of the reasons it's so huge is for Tesla is everybody gets to have their car be in this robo-taxi thing. The car will go and pick people up by itself and go do its thing. That's the plan. And the people get like 70% of the fare, but Tesla gets about 30% of the amount paid by the people. And they take care of all the billing and all the transactions and all that, but it's literally almost 100% profit for Tesla. And it will be not just in the United States, this is going to be worldwide with every vehicle they got. And there's other electric vehicles and whatnot that may share this technology. Tesla may share it with them, and so it could be even bigger than what Tesla's making. And then we have the possibility of a van coming out for Tesla, which Grandpa thinks would be huge, but probably nobody else. But and then the $25,000 next-gen car, very inexpensive car that they're talking about coming out with, might be revealed here finally. So, and these are all things Grandpa's talked about in past live streams. Cell signal in the 1, the 5, and the 15 currently. Let's see. I'm on the 30-minute chart here, so we have a sell in the 30-minute also. Grandpa's so crazy. Okay, 5-minute chart. Here it is. Where's DLA when I need him? Okay, so yeah, we're under a sell in the 5-minute also. I had it on the 30-minute chart. Okay. Oh, we're under a death cross we are under a death cross currently in the 5-minute. It hit at 243.70, 243.70. So you could expect $5 or $3 at a minimum out of this thing usually, which would bring us down to 240.70. Which would bring us down to 240.70 at a minimum, and sometimes it runs as much as $23. So you take 243.70 and take away $10, you're at 233.70, which is a place of support. That's a possibility. Or 230. 230 could be very likely. This thing could literally take us down to 220 area. This death cross, if it plays out all the way, type of deal. So keep that in mind as you're having fun here. We're getting a bull flag in the 1 minute, still under a sell signal. Sell in the 15, sell in the 30, sell in the 5 minute. Let's look at the hourly quick. We're 9 minutes to the open. Well, there's the daily. That ain't going to help us. That won't even start until 9:30. Let's see, what do we got going? Yeah, we're under a sell in the hourly. I believe this candle isn't old enough to let us know for sure yet. We have to wait another 15, 20 minutes to know. A dominant trend. The dominant trend, we lost that. It was up. Now the dominant trend is down. If we can get a little bounce today or tomorrow, we could get it back. Possibly. It's not looking that. We have a chance. The candles are aligned so that if we can manage to get a green candle today or tomorrow, we potentially would have a buy signal here. But and like I say, I think that robo-taxi thing comes out at 10, or not, I think it comes out after hours tomorrow, actually. It's probably going to be really wild after hours tomorrow. Grandpa might just come on and stay on tomorrow, or do one in the morning and come back in the afternoon and just stick right with it, because I think it's going to be a crazy day. Well, Jeff, I don't want to talk about Grandpa's pork belly trading days right now. Grandpa's got to keep his brain on Tesla trading days. The nice thing about Tesla is it's not quite as easy to manipulate as the pork bellies were back in the day. There's a reason they shut down pork bellies. They're a little bit on the, well, whatever. Okay, so we have a pretty good size bull flag in the 1 minute, but it's a sell still. We have a sell in the 15, and we have a sell in the 5. With what looks like a bull flag coming possibly. Little bit of sideways action. So the opening price today was supposed to be 243.75. Grandpa nailed it again. It's gone through that number a whole bunch of times today already in the pre-market. And she's right near it. We're at 243.55 area right now. The other day, when I messed up and put that we were going to open at 2:32, I found my error last night. DLA's. Good morning, DLA. The 4 hours to buy, the 1 hour is to sell, and the 30 minutes is to sell. Well, that 1 hour's the candle isn't old enough, DLA, to call it. Let's see. Yeah, we have a buy in the 4 hour. Absolutely, we have a buy in that 4 hour. DLA called that out. Good to have DLA. He's down there in Tennessee with his twin little boys. He originally named them Mac and Jesse, and then he went in and changed their name to Model Y and Model S. So, DLA says, good morning, Vietnam. Yeah. Talk about it. This is a war, I'll tell you what. Speaking of war, still Israel hasn't responded to Iran's attack yet. So, my personal feelings on that is they're going to mop up a little more in Lebanon before they do it, because when they take out Iran over there, they're going to be fighting directly with Iran, and they need to get a handle more on Lebanon before they do the switch over. So I think it might be a while before they do their response. We're under a bear flag. Not a bear flag. We're under a death cross in the 5-minute chart. And there again, it started at 242.70. Take away $3, you're at 240.70 at a minimum. That's what Grandpa's expecting. And this 5-minute with this indecision is nasty looking. We're still under a sell in the 1, the 5, and the 15, but the 1 is giving us a pretty good size bull flag. I guess it's really not that big. It's not even about $1. We're getting a bull flag in the 5-minute here. Yeah, that supercomputer we're playing against don't make it easy. We're 2 minutes to the open. I'm going to check the blinking quick. Oh boy, they're up above shorting at 292.30 some. Down below, they're shorting as far down as 194.80. Yeah, 292.45 is shorting. That pulls it up. $253.35. They're shorting up above. That number might be a possibility for today. Too early to know. 1 minute to the open. This thing's gonna. Grandpa's gonna ring the bell in advance for them little twins down there, and I got 4 of the grandkids here. Oh boy, we did it. We rang a bell. That's the 1 minute warning. Okay, DLA corrected me. The 1 hour was a bull flag, so it remains the cell from a while back. So the 1 hour is the cell. Thank you, DLA. That guy is sharp. Okay, we got the open. We're off to the races. It's going straight up, and of course we have a reversal possibly in the 15 minute. But it's too early to call it. We got to wait 10 minutes to call it. Let's see. The 1 minute is a reversal buy signal, I believe. I believe we have a buy signal in the 1 minute. Now this 5 minute with this indecision, you could call it a buy, but I don't see it going too far here. I think it's a fake out. Truthfully, we're still under a sell in this 5 minute. So she is a mess. And I'm not sure about that 1 minute. I think we might have just got a bull flag and we're still under that sell. She's coming down. She's coming down hard. 242, whatever. I sold some early in the 244.75 area. Glad I did. Wish I would have sold more. Or 244.75, I mean. We're down to 240.50 and dropping. She's coming down like a rock. It's absolutely sell all the way. Sell all the way. 241.35. It's the new low. Currently at 242.20. The kids are playing in the other room with Grandma. They're ringing bells. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Okay. And Hurricane Milton is going to hit Florida late tonight or tomorrow morning. And she sounds like it's going to be a bad one. $240.90 new low. Still a sell in the 1, the 5, and the 15. Let's see here. What do we got on the top side? Not even a $4 range yet from high to low. Under a death cross, the death cross could take us to 240.70, which it's done right now. So we've got our $3 so far in the death cross. We've got over $3 in the death cross by 5 cents. So the death cross, sometimes it stops at around $3. Usually it does more. Grandpa was anticipating buying some at 239.75, but I might back out of that before it hits it. 240.85 new low. She is just going straight down. Grandpa's going to back out of his 239.75 buy. She is. We have a new low at 239.81. Selling the 1, the 5, and the 15. How low will she go? I do not know. I want to buy some cheap shares down here. $239.75 new low. Grandpa might have wished he left it there. 239.74 is the actual low. So our death cross is working. I think we've got $4 out of our death cross so far. $4 of our we've gotten from that death cross currently. In the 5-minute chart. The nice thing about a death cross is what you get after a death cross is a golden cross. It's going to be fun to see how far they can push us. How far down the hill we will go. We're approximately $5 from high to low today so far. Selling the 1, the 5, and the 15. Sell signal in the 1, the 5, and the 15. We still have a buy in the 4 hour. And the 30-minute, I believe, is a sell. And DLA, yep, the 30 minutes to sell. And the hourly is the sell from before. And didn't get reversed. You're right, DLA. I'll tell you that DLA he's good at these candles. Makes it nice for Grandpa. It's nice to have help. Okay. 239.51 is the new low in Tesla. How low will she go? So I think we have a $4.20 death cross so far. $243.70. Yeah, about a $4.20 death cross, I believe, so far. Grandpa's not too good at adding and subtracting, so just remember that death cross hit at 243.70. So 240.70 was our $3, and we've got about $4.20 so far, and she is starting to level out, trying to level out a little bit in the 1 minute. I don't know if I take a chance and come in here and grab shares or not at this point. Yep, I think I will. We'll try to get some more shares. Okay, so what do we got going? We are borderline on getting a buy. We have a buy signal in the 1 minute. Buy signal in the 1 minute, still a sell in the 5, and still a sell in the 15. But we do have a buy in the 1 minute. She's going back up a little bit. I don't think this war is over for the day, though. Grandpa's going to try buy the WICK down below here. Buy signal in the 1 minute. If you're short, you might want to get out of Dodge and go the other direction, possibly. It's always a possibility, you know. 239.51 is the low of the day so far. And we have a buy in that 1 minute. Sell in the 5, sell in the 15, sell in the 30, sell in the hourly. The 4 hour is still a buy signal. Four hours, still a buy signal. Oh, hey, just for the fun of it, we have a buy in the 1, sell in the 5, sell in the 15, sell in the 30. I'm going to check the daily candle. Ooh, not pretty. Not pretty so far. We still are under a W in that daily, though. We've lost the dominant trend. The dominant trend is currently down. The dominant trend is, the trend is your friend. The dominant trend is currently down. We have not regained it. I had hopes of us regaining it, but it's a long day. I mean, that candle in the daily is only 12 minutes old. It's a baby candle. A baby candle. A baby candle. Yeah, and DLA needs to do well here because he has got to have money for several reasons. Diapers, and Waffle House. I'll tell you, this guy is awesome. He takes his little lady and he's a good husband. And to celebrate, they go to the Waffle House down there in Nashville. In Nashville, Tennessee. Still a buy in that 1 minute. I think this thing's going to turn and come right back down, but that's Grandpa's opinion here. Let's see. Grandpa's going to look at blinking just to see what we got going. Grandpa likes to look at the blinking is where the market makers are buying and selling far out from the actual price point. Okay, what are they doing? They're shorting in the 245 area. 247. Okay, they're up there at 260.70 shorting. Grandpa's trying to get a handle on it. And they're buying, it looks like, down in the 223.10 area. That's with this death cross we're in, that could be a possibility. Either one of those numbers are probably in our future here, in our near-term future, throughout the week here. Buy signal in the 1 minute. Okay, let's look at this 5 minute. What's the time? Oh, it's a baby candle. If this thing stays green, we're going to have a buy signal in the... I should have left my buy-in down there at the 239.75, but I didn't. This candle here in the 5 minute is not a buy signal yet. We're still under a sell in the 5 minute. We got to wait another 3.5 minutes before we know. Still a sell in the 15. Buy in the 1 minute. Still a sell in this 5 minute. That's why we wait. You see the color change back and forth in this 5 minute? We're getting a bear flag in the 1 minute. The 1 minute still a buy signal with a bear flag. The 1 minute still a buy signal with a bear flag. The 5 minute is still a sell signal. We gotta wait a minute or two here. Yeah, tomorrow I might come back in the afternoon and do another live stream long enough to get into after hours, because I think it's just going to be wild, absolutely wild movement. You can make money with movement, but you remember, if you're trading after hours, you need to do GTC EXT so you can buy and sell after hours. Buy signal in the 1, sell in the 15, sell in the 5, but we're borderline on getting a buy signal in the 5 minute. Not yet. We got to wait about a minute and a half or so yet. Still a sell in the 5, buy in the 1, sell in the 15, sell in the 30, sell in the hourly, buy in the 4 hour. I don't know why I double guessed myself down there. It's a long day. They'll come back down and revisit Grandpa. Grandpa might be sad he gets that fill when he gets it. I'm trying to pick some up at 239.75. It went through it. It went down to 239.51. Grandpa double guessed himself this morning. Under a death cross, it's given us only $4.20 so far. But that might be all we get out of it. You just don't know. We trade candles here. Okay, we're getting close to a buy signal in the 5 minute. We have a buy in the... We have a buy in the 1. Yeah, we have a buy in the 5 minute. We have a buy in the 1 minute, and the 5 minute, and the sell in the 15, the 30, and the hourly. So currently we have we're losing the 1 minute the way it looks. Let's see, what do we got? Yep, we have a sell signal in the 1 minute. So we have a sell in the 1 and a buy in the 5. Oh boy, that's the way it is. Sell in the 1 minute. Sell in the 1 minute. She's coming back down a little bit. And we have a buy in the 5 minute. She don't look pretty either. Sell in the 15. This thing is coming back down in a quick hurry. She is coming down in a quick hurry. I'm going to lower my buy. We need every penny we can get. My average long is 243.14, 243.15, and I look like an idiot. You know, truthfully, if you're trading and you're within $1 or $2 of the price, you're probably in pretty good shape. Sometimes if you're within $10 of the price, you're in good shape, depending on. We got a lot of stuff going on in our world. And I believe we have all the way till tomorrow night before we get to find out about Robo-Taxi Day. She is going to be wild. We could trade till 8 o'clock at night. And Grandpa's thinking about being here for the whole duration. I think that would be fun. Trading through Robo-Taxi Day. So we'll do tomorrow morning. I might come on and do a quick live stream late tonight. Just give you, I don't know if it will or not. Pastor's gone, and that's why we have the kids, and Grandpa gets to do the message tonight. Boy, am I going to have fun. Yeah. What's Grandpa going to talk about? Well, let's see. Well, a couple of things Grandpa wants to talk about tonight is protecting your pastor and encouraging your pastor. How can we encourage our pastor? What do you do to encourage our pastor? Well, I could tell you the biggest thing you can do that will encourage your pastor isn't giving him money. It isn't telling him you love him. It's showing up for the services and being part of the church. That's the biggest thing you can do for your pastor. Sell signal in the 1 minute. Oh man, we have a buy in the 5, but I don't like it. I'm not giving it much credence. Sell in the 15, sell in the 30, sell in the hourly. That's what we got going. And we're moving straight sideways while we're at it. 240.70, 242, $1.25 sideways the last 15 minutes. Okay. Are we getting a buy in that 1 minute DLA? Too early to tell. We might have a reversal in the 1 minute. Still a buy in this 5 minute. Here's the 1 minute. Let's see. Still too early to know. Oh, yeah. Well, we got indecision. It's still too early to tell. Looks like we could potentially have a buy in. It's going to be nasty with that indecision candle, but it is a buy. Oh man, that's just nasty. I'll tell you, this supercomputer can really mess up a chart. So technically, we have a buy in the 1 and the 5, and they both look terrible. Grandpa's trying to get back to the 5 minute. I can't hardly look at the 1 minute, no. They did it with an indecision candle, so I just, oh man. DLA helped Grandpa with the 1 minute. I'm seeing it as a reversal buy signal, but it just with that indecision there. And truthfully, this is like an indecision in the 5 minutes, so I'm struggling with this. Jeff says pretty boring. Well, we're moving straight sideways. You got to have a lot of patience to play this game there, Mr. Mum. You'll be fine. Just have patience. Have patience. Have patience. We got Trees and his trucker out there. I'd be fun to see if he went short or long or what he did. Okay, they're shorting up at 255.70 area, and they're buying down below at 226.70 in the blinking. And that's what all I know about that. Let's check the indexes. Oh, the S&P slightly in the green. Tesla is underperforming everything on the way down. Nvidia's in the red. NIO's in the red. Tilray's in the red. The NASDAQ is in the red. But the SPY and the Dow are in the green just a little bit. But the NASDAQ is just a little bit in the red. Come on down there and fill Grandpa's 239.75, and then you can go straight up. Jeff says he's patiently waiting for higher prices. So is Grandpa. Grandpa's patiently waiting for higher prices too. And DLA says he's undecided in the 1 minute and he's undecided in the 5 minute. I think that's what Grandpa's going to say too. Grandpa's undecided in the, well, we're back to a buy signal now in the 1 minute. Grandpa's reading his stuff late. We're back to a buy in the 1 minute. And I have to give it a buy in this 5 minute yet. I don't like to, but we got to. But we are back to a buy in the 1 minute. We have a buy in the 5. We have a sell in the 15, a sell in the 30, and a sell in the hourly. And we're moving absolutely straight sideways. Coming up on 10 o'clock. DLA, are you ready to take over for Grandpa? You want some higher prices, you guys? You want higher prices, DLA? You want Grandpa to go get hot coffee and let the price go up? I think that'd be a good thing. DLA says every time I leave, the price goes straight up. Okay, Grandpa's gonna take 2, 3 minutes, get some hot coffee. Uh, Jeff says I'm just plain undecided. Oh, we got some real comedians out there. I'll tell you what. DLA says we have a W forming into 1 minute. You W watchers, I'll tell you what. Okay, I'll be back in 2, 3 minutes. DLA, you got the helm. Okay, DLA says, get out of here, Grandpa. And I did, and we went straight up. Oh, boy. So we have a buy in the 1, the 5, and a sell in the 15, but she is making a bull flag in the 15-minute. We're under a sell in the 30 and the 1 hour currently. But we have a buy in the 1 and the 5. She is going straight up. Hey, are we going to get us a golden cross today? Would that be fun? I am watching for that. It's possible here today. Grandpa is just about back to even. I wish I would have grabbed the shares down at 239.75. I pulled it out. I second guessed myself is what I did. She comes back down. I don't know if I even want them at this point. I'm hoping she goes up and takes out my sells, and then we'll reposition. The multiple conflicts are causing inflation to go up. Imagine that. Probably like the price of oil. We might get 50 basis points next time. That oil keeps going up. They'll have to lower the interest just to keep it in check. Current price is hovering around 243.70. Oh, Grandpa's in the green. Oh, Grandpa's making money. Oh boy, it's fun. It's always fun when Grandpa's in the green. Okay, they're shorting up at 258.30, and they're buying at 229. 229.10. She's going up. Up, up, up. Shorting at 258.50. She's climbing the ladder. 258.30, 258.20. Are we getting a red candle or what? Just a little pullback. Yeah, it'd be nice if this thing would run up there to 258.30. I think it would make Jeff happy at least. I think he'd actually be making some money at that point. 258.30 is a strong possibility this week. What I'm seeing in this blinking. Oh ho ho! This thing is going up. They're shorting at 262.35 also. They got two spots. I can only see one at a time. 258.30 and 262.35 are alternating blinking, or blinking at the same time, basically, on and off. They paused the, nope, 262.35 is shorting. That's a strong signal. We're up. I was wondering why it was going up so fast. Buying the 1 minute, buying the 5, and a bull flag in the 15. Yeah, that's, oh my goodness, we're going to bounce. 262.91. We're absolutely going up here. 262.91 is blinking, as well as 258.50. We got two of them blinking up above. 258.40 and 262.91 periodically. That's strong blinking up above. She's pulling us straight up. Can change in a heartbeat. The blinking is instant. What I like about the blinking is the instant tell compared to a lagging indicator. Even our 1 minute candles are lagging. 258, 258.50, 258.60. This thing is strong. 262.90. Blinking. At 262.90, the faster it blinks, the higher it goes. She's pulling us up ever so slowly here. On the bottom side, they are they're blinking at 229.50. 229.50, 229.60. This thing's going up. 258.95, 259. We're going straight up, guys. I'm watching it right here on the blinking. 262.91 still blinking periodically. Hey, Grandma, is there any chance you'd make coffee? I filled the water jug up. I'm out completely. It's going up. We're at 244.35, 244.40. What? Buying the 1 up. 222.64 started blinking. We might be slowing down here a little bit. Nope. 262.90 is blinking pretty fast. She's still going up. 1 minute's a buy, the 5 minutes a buy. 15 minutes is a sell with a bull flag. 259.20, she's going up. Grandpa's talking about the blinking up above and down below. Potentially where it could go. Yeah, we this bus is running straight uphill. How high will it go? I do not know. She's looking strong. They're pulling us down again. Remember yesterday they were doing that 222.60 area? Well, they're back at it. That's what they're going to pull us down with. They're blinking at 220, 260. We could see a reversal here if they keep doing it. She's still going up. 263.50. This thing is going straight up. We are moving out. 263.50. They're shorting. They just jumped her up there. Grandpa's moving out of their way a little bit. And getting a little more out of his shares by the penny here. I'm selling as she's going up here. Grandpa's taking some profits, what Grandpa's doing. I'm in the green. 264.70, they're up there shorting. This thing is just crazy going up. $264.17 shorting up above. She's climbing the ladder. That number could be in your future here in this week or next. Of course, that's what we keep talking about, is that 265 area. Okay. Treasonous Trucker says made $400 long. He got in at $239.95 and got out at you said you got out at $239.95. Okay, $243.95. Okay, so he got in at $239.95, got out at $243.95. Excellent. He made his money for the day, and he's gonna take a break. So that's what he's doing. He's gonna do his trucking now. He made his money. Good job there, Treasonous Trucker. Once again, he shows us how to do it. Okay. So we have a winner chicken dinner. Treasonous Truckers making money. 264.79 still shorting. This bus is running straight uphill. How high will it go? I do not know. So far, we got 245.80, 239.50 on the bottom side. About a $6.30 range so far. $5.80. Yeah, $6.30 from high to low. Okay, DLA says We have a bull flag in the hourly, 30-minute, and the 15-minute are all bull flags. But we do have a buy in the 1-minute and the 5-minute. The LA says use caution. You got that right. Use caution. Okay, 264.60. 5 is shorting, and they're doing some buying down on the bottom at 222.64. 222.64. Grandpa is in the green. Treasonous truckers hauling French fries and happy to do it. Buying the 1 and the 5 15-minute is a bull flag, and she's a biggin. Oh, we might have a reversal in the 1 minute here. Do we have a sell signal yet? Another 10 seconds, we'll have a sell signal in the 1 minute. Yeah, we got a sell in the 1 minute. We have a still under a buy in the 5 minute. Grandpa's hoping to get out of his shares finally here. Sell in the 1 minute. Buy in the 5 minute. Okay. Yep, Bobo, Grandma, come and get Bobo, please. We're getting a bull flag in the 1 minute. The 1 minute's a sell signal. We're getting a bull flag. It's coming up and taking Grandpa's shares out. That's what it's doing. Come and get them. Grandpa's willing to surrender. Grandpa wants to surrender. That's what Grandpa wants to do. They paused our shorting up at 264 pretty much for now. Come on, give it to Grandpa. Take them out. Got one of them. Gonna get the other one? I hope so. Come on, one left. Take it. It's gonna take it. They started blinking again at 264.60. We got a bull flag in the 1 minute. Still under a buy in that 5 minute. 15 minutes, a sell signal with a bull flag. Jeff wants to know if there's any golden crosses in our future. If this thing keeps going up a little bit higher, you'll have one pretty quick. Okay, Grandpa finally got out of Dodge. Finally got rid of my shares. Oh my goodness, that was a long ride. Okay. And we managed to get out with a profit. Not even sure what the profit was. I had them for 3 days, back and forth. I'd have to calculate it later. I think I'm up. I think I gained like 300 and something, but okay. We have a sell signal in the one with a massive bull flag. We have a buy signal in the 5-minute. They're shorting up at 264.60 area again. It's pulling us up. Grandpa wants to get up above here now, and I either want to buy down below in the 240 area or I want to sell up in the 250 area is what I want to do. That's what Grandpa's thinking. Start selling right around when it takes Jeff's stuff out. Let's see. Potential golden cross, Jeff, could hit about 243.80 area, 244 possibly. If we only got $3, it would give you 247 if it plays out, just the minimum. However, if we get $10 out of it, we're at 254. $20 to give us 264. That's within the realm of possibility. 267 would be close to the top, 269 area. We have a new high of 248.52. This thing is going straight up. Buy in the 5-minute, bull flag in the 1-minute. Bull flag in the 15. DLA says use caution. Oh, I am. Grandpa's happy. Oh my word, They're shorting at 265.25. And they're shorting at 261.50 at 70 at the same time. Both of them. This thing is just going straight up. Hang on, Jeff. It's coming your way. 248.75 new high. Look at it go. Grandpa's just happy to be out. The higher it goes, the happier we get. I'm looking forward to shorting this bus. And Treason's trucker, he got out and made his $400 or $500 today already. Got himself long down at 239.95. And picked up $4. So he made $400 at least because he does 100 on that account. $265.88 where they're shorting up above right now. Just phenomenal. Coming up on 10:30. Grandpa's going to probably turn into a pumpkin around 11. I got a lot of stuff to do today. Got to go out and check the chickens if I can't get Grandma to do it. They need food and water out at Pastor's place. And well, Jeff wants me to keep doing my evening one where I give the opening. I'm not going to do the close, but I think I'll probably go back to doing just a short one in the evening around 6:30 and doing the opening and divergence and dominant trend. Dominant trend is currently down. We're looking better in that daily. The daily, if this thing keeps going up, we could change to a green candle here and have a buy signal in the daily by the end of this day, which would change the dominant trend to up. But currently the dominant trend is down. Oh man, I think we got ourselves our second reversal sell signal coming in the 1 minute. Yep, we do. We have a sell signal in the 1 minute. Oh man, with a bull flag. Sell signal in the 1 minute with a bull flag, and we still have a buy in the 5. Bull flag in the 15 with a sell signal. They sure have fun with these signals, don't they, DLA? I really enjoy that DLA is in the candle reading with Grandpa, because it's just a huge help. He knows Grandpa's candle reading deal. It's amazing to Grandpa how well he understands it. He catches stuff that Grandpa misses all the time. We got a new high of 246. Is it 898? I can't even see it. Yeah, 246.98. Grandpa's half blind, you know. Sometime I'll tell you the story about my glass eye. How did Grandpa end up with a glass eye? Hey, Jeff, we're getting close to your golden cross here. Looks like it would hit right around 243.90 possibly. Say 244. If it hits at 244, $247 would be $3, and we've just all but got that right now. It looks like we're going to get us a golden cross, Jeff. It does look like it, but when we hit it, we're probably already going to be up over $3 above it. So, but that thing could take you $23.70 on the top side. Is what we've seen, and the most it's done that I've seen. They're shorting at 261.90. Nothing but up. They paused that shorting on that down at that 222. It's not even on the board anymore. They're currently shorting at 232.50. 232.50. This thing is going up. She's strong. 247.40, new high. Grandpa's just happy to be out with his profit. I always sell early. I can't help myself. Grandma, she's looking for 259. Grandma's got to sell in at 259, and she's mad at Grandpa. She's mad at Grandpa because she was up $125 on that those shares, and Grandpa didn't sell them. Grandma didn't make coffee. Oh man, Grandpa don't have any coffee. How high will she go? That is the question. Okay, Brazil's inflation is going up, up, up because some electricity prices surge. The price of electricity. Okay, S&P is up, NASDAQ is up, the Dow is up. Are we having fun or what? Jeff, you're getting richer by the second. Grandma's getting richer by the second. We have a potential sell signal in the 1 minute. Too early to tell, another 15, 20 seconds. We might have a sell in the 1 minute. Pretty quick. I don't know. Yep, we have a sell in the 1 minute, a buy in the 5. Bull flag in the 15. Grandpa's gonna try to do some shorting up here. Sell in the 1 minute, buy in the 5. She's coming down.
These can't be bobos. These are too long. Look at, stand up. These, I think you could wear these. You don't think they're yours?
I think those are mine.
Okay, you either got this pair or
I
this
think
pair.
this is mine. This guy is partway the same as Bobo's short.
And you need a shirt too. So wear the shirt that fits you.
I don't know.
Is this one for you?
Okay, so we have a sell in the 1 minute, a buy in the 5, sell in the 15 with a massive bull flag. Grandpa's got some shorts in up here. I don't know if I'll get them or not. I think I will. Might not want them when I do get them. We're just going to go easy here. We're not going to do nothing crazy. And I'm not going to chase it downhill, that's for sure. At least I don't plan on chasing it. Selling the 1, buying the 5. That's what we got going. Grandpa's trying to short some wicks up here in the 5-minute chart. Oh boy, Grandpa's trying to short the wicks. I'm so happy to be out of that position. I didn't care if it went to $500. I was just happy to be out. Yeah, I think I picked up like $300, or maybe even a little more on that particular trade, but I hung on to it way too long. Just ignorance. I want to get back to where I'm in and out, so I can start the day and trade the candles and make my little bit of money and call it a day. Okay, DLA, you still with Grandpa? If so, Grandpa needs to heat up his coffee again. I got cold coffee. Grandpa's got cold coffee. Okay, I'm gonna ring the bell. DLA's gonna have the helm if I think he's still here. Okay, Grandpa's going to get warm coffee. I'll be back in 3-4 minutes, and we'll see what happens here. Looks like we're getting a bear flag in the 5-minute. The 1 minute is a sell. And we'll see where we go. Ho, ho, ho. She's going to be a wild one today. Okay. See you in a little bit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What did you do? Try to think I would go water in it?
You said you had the water in it.
I said I put the water in here.
You said, you said, you make coffee, I put the water in. You said you put water.
I put water in the jug. I put water.
You did.
I put water in this jug. That's what I told you.
You say, I put coffee in.
You know, I was wondering how to go.
You didn't do nothing in your coffee. It's a zero.
And you had it open and you used the food. I said I put water in the jug. There wasn't enough water.
You'd be so much better.
And we got that. Okay. We have a bull flag, buy signal in the 5 with a bear flag, bear flag in the 5 minute. And we have a sell in the 1 minute, and she is coming down. She is coming down. Buy signal still in the 5 minute. However, we have a bear flag in that 5 minute currently. And I believe we have a sell in the, who knows what we got in it. The 30, the 15 minute is still a sell signal with a bull flag. 30 minute is still a buy signal with a bear flag. Sell signal with a bull flag. And the daily is looking a little bit better. She's looking a little bit better. No golden cross yet. Looks like if we do get one, it'll be around the 244 area, and which would bring us up to the 247. From the point we actually get it at, which would probably be over here area. I think it will be after we get rid of our I'm anticipating a reversal signal in the 1 minute, not too long. Currently still under a sell in the 1 minute, a buy in the 5, a sell in the 15 with a bull flag. 246.25 area is where we're at right now. Still a sell in that 1 minute. She's coming down. 246.25 area. 246.35. She's sliding sideways a little bit here. 10:50 a.m. Eastern Time. Florida braces for Hurricane Milton. Going to hit late tonight, Thursday morning. She's a big one. 300 miles wide, and that's all I know about that. She's coming back up. Oh, man. Don't go up with a bull flag. I can't stand it. Buy signal in the 5 minute, and we have a bull flag in the 1 minute, I believe. Let's look at it. This candle does not fit into that candle. I'll make it, or does it? Oh, man. It looks like we got a buy signal in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. I got to give it a buy. Buy signal in the 1 minute, buy signal in the 5 minute. Still a sell in the 15 minute with a massive bull flag. And let's see. Yeah, and you can get a bull flag in that 15 minutes, $7-8. So, and that's about what we got. Where are we from high to low here? Where are we from high to low in Tesla today? They're currently shorting at the 260 area, giving us a red candle. We got just approximately $8 from high to low today so far. That might be close to maxing us out from high to low. That's where we're at there. $8 range from high to low. Still haven't got our golden cross, but I think we're going to probably get one right around the two. I got to get off this 1 minute. Right around 244 is where I think we'll hit that golden cross. So that tells Grandpa we should get back up to at least the 247 at some point, because we almost always get a $3 at a minimum on a golden cross. The excitement is building. 245.50 areas where we're at right now. All the truck drivers are out there working. Everett's going to take French fries down to Atlanta to feed the people that eat at McDonald's and Burger King and Hardee's and Waffle House. Do they have French fries at Waffle House? I don't know. They got pancakes. DLA's going to get Grandpa some pancakes and sausage and eggs someday. Oh, man, what do we got going here? What a mess. What a mess. Oh, man, life. Five minutes, still a buy signal with a bear flag. I'm still trying to determine that 1 minute. It's undecided. I just can't tell. Boy, we're really close. Really, really close to getting a golden cross here at the 244. Very close. And it's very rare that we get less than $3. $20 would give us 264. 23 would give us 267.70. If she goes as far as it can go, 267.70, or 247.70 if it just goes half of it. 249, right around 250. I would anticipate, off of a Golden Cross. Grandma's busy doing laundry and playing with these kids. She's got 3 of them outside doing chalk drawings on the driveway, and Bobo's in the sunroom doing Bobo stuff. And that's what's going on. Absolutely moving sideways in the 1 minute, in about a $1 high to low range for the last 10, 12 minutes. Buy signal still in the 5 minute. Selling the 15 with a massive bull flag coming up on 11 o'clock. Oh man, I hate to leave you before we get our Golden Cross for Jeff. It's going to hit at the 244. She's going to hit at the 244 when she does it. Okay, do we have a reversal buy signal in the 1 minute? Oh, man. Oh. I'll give that 1 minute a buy signal too. So I'll buy the 1 and the 5. It's such a mess. It's almost hard to tell. But I believe we're absolutely under a buy in the 5 minute. She's going up. She is going up. How high will she go? I do not know. She's coming up. She's coming up the garden. The kids are out in the garden picking tomatoes. They love to help Grandma, so they go out and they pick tomatoes. They picked so many tomatoes yesterday that Grandma said she didn't know what she was going to do with them all. Bobo, they load their little toy trucks and their scooters, got compartments. They fill them up with tomatoes, and then they bring them up to the house for Grandma. And we got tomatoes all over the whole house. Oh man. Just borderline. I'd like to give it up for the day, but I hate to leave till we get Jeff his Golden Cross. Well, Grandma made Grandpa some coffee, so I drank the last little bit of my coffee, so I'm happy about that. 246. Buying the 1, buying the 5. Bull flag in the 15 with a sell signal. Looks like we're going to possibly get a cell signal in the 1 minute. She's battling it out here in $1 range, $2.10-20 range, 245 to 246.20 area, 245.20 to 246.20 area, $1 range. We have a cell signal in the 1 minute. She's coming back down. Still a buy in the 5 minute. She's coming down. Still hasn't let Grandpa have a short sale. Selling the 1 minute, buying the 5. Boeing shares are way down. Oil falls as U.S. stockpiles swell. Wow. That's kind of bullish. They're saying that U.S. stockpiles are swelling. People are so broke they can't afford to buy gas. That's Grandpa's opinion. Grandpa's opinionated. Okay. Oh, man. You ain't never going to get a golden cross at this rate. Sell signal in the 1 minute. It's coming down. Sell signal in the 15 with a bull flag. It looks like we might get another sell signal in that 15. And we have a buy signal in the 5 with a bear flag, and it's a good sized bear flag. Shorting at 259.10 currently. I mean 259.70. Shorting at 259.70. She's coming down. Down the bunny trail. How low will she go? We just about got our golden cross at 244. Not yet. We haven't got it yet. This thing is coming down yet. And Grandpa's gonna have to quit here because I gotta go feed them chickens and water them. Pastor and them guys are gonna get back late tonight. Don't want them have them coming home to starving chickens. That's for sure. Okay, well, I'll tell you what. Grandpa's just about got to call it a day here. We'll see how it goes. I might do just a short one. It'd probably be late. It's probably going to be pretty late because I got to do the service tonight. So And I don't think I can get it out before I gotta go. It's possible to give you the opening for tomorrow. Boy, Grandpa's been nailing that opening. I had it wrong that one day by over $10, but I found my error. I made them. I double checked myself too, and I made the same error in a row twice. Because I thought that looked pretty far out of range, but so Grandpa knows how to make mistakes. Okay, it looks like we have a reversal buy signal in the 1 minute. Potentially 10 seconds, I'll tell you. It ain't pretty, but it's a buy signal. Buy signal in the 1 minute, buy signal in the 5 minute. She's coming back up. Coming back up. How high will she go? Who knows? She's going to snap like a rubber band. It's running in a $1 range. $1, $1.50 range for the last 30 minutes. Moving sideways, back and forth. Grandpa's trying to snag some shorts up in the 247 to 248 area. Might live to regret it. I do not know. Okay. Well, 11:10. We're just about to touch this golden cross at the 244. Green candle. She hasn't crossed through it yet. It's just starting to touch it. Will it touch it? I don't know. Just about got it at the 244. So Grandpa's anticipating a bare minimum of 247. We have a buy in the 1 and the 5, and Grandpa's going to have to give it up. I would just love to stay a little bit longer here, but I just can't. So, okay. Wish Grandpa luck tonight. I'm going to go in there and do the best I can. Hey, remember, all good things are from the Lord, including this golden cross that Jeff is getting. And Clutch. Clutch likes these golden crosses. We all like golden crosses when we're long. And buy signal in the 5, buy signal in the 1 minute. And that's all I know about that. And she's touching. Jeff, the golden cross is touching. I'll tell you that. It did touch. Barring anything crazy going on, I think you're going to have your golden cross. So, okay. Hey, think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does. And we'll see. I'm going to try to get back later tonight. If not, we'll see you tomorrow morning bright and early, 9:15. And we'll do it again. Good luck, you guys.